Good morning, student. As you know that today we are going to study simple, compound and complex sentence. Without knowing of clause, we cannot understand what is simple, compound and complex sentence. In previous videos, we have deeply discussed what is clause. Let's see one example. I know the boy who came here. मैं उस लड़के को जानता हूँ who came here, जो यहाँ पर आया. This clause I say that in a sentence maybe two or more clause. One clause this and one clause this. Who came here? This clause is not completed. Who came here? This is not complete sense. But when I did with this clause, I know the boy. Meaning it means that independent clause and dependent clause. In previous videos, we have deeply discussed about independent and dependent clause. So today we are going to study about simple, compound and complex sentence. I hope that you clear about what is clause and what is independent and dependent clause, because today's lectures depend on independent and dependent clause. So let's begin from simple sentence. In simply we can say that a simple sentence in which a subject a verb with full meaning. Let's see one example. I am a teacher. I subject am verb. And this sentence also with full meaning. ये जो sentence हमारा है ये पूरा फुल मीनिंग के साथ है, तो इसलिए हम इसको सिंपल सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं. He killed a tiger. Subject, verb and full meaning. According to our definition, a subject, a simple sentence have a subject and a verb with full meaning. He killed a tiger, उसने एक टाइगर मारा. ये सेंटेंस हमारा कंप्लीट है और एक सब्जेक्ट एक वर्ब. According to this definition, this is complete. So let's come to second compound sentence. Compound sentence, a sentence that have subject or combination also both independent clause. It means दोनों सेंटेंस दो क्लास होंगे और दोनों क्या होंगे, वो एक दो क्लास होंगे. एक सेंटेंस दो क्लास. am a teacher and my friend is a lawyer. मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ, मेरा जो दोस्त है वो वकील है। ये भी सेंटेंस इंडिपेंडेंट है, कंप्लीट है। ये भी सेंटेंस आल्सो कंप्लीट, सो इट कैन बी ए कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। Let's see another example. He did not have cash, so he paid by credit card. उसके पास कैश नहीं थे, इसलिए उसने क्रेडिट कार्ड से पे किया। ये भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है, ये भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट। इट्स मीन दैट बोथ इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास एडेड इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। One thing more I would like to tell you that compound sentence also added with coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction easy to learn. In simple, the formula fan boils. This is formula to learn coordinating conjunction. F for A and N nor B but O R Y it is so. This is formula to learn coordinating conjunction. As I said in first example, I am a teacher and my friend is a lawyer. So easily you can find, you can recognize, and it's also coordinating conjunction. So let's finish now today. Enough for this lecture. If you have any confusion what is different between independent and dependent clause, you can see my previous video. Thanks to see my lecture.